actually really excited to bring you this video today. It's a little bit different from other videos I may have on my channel, but I really want to bring a lot of varied content that kind of covers a lot of stuff that I am passionate about, and just so happens gift giving is one of those things that I'm quite passionate about. So today I'm actually going to be doing, as the entire universe knows, I am a new mom and recently went back to work, and actually my mom got me a back to work survival kit. And it had like a cute little Rosie the Riveter picture on it, who I absolutely love. But I thought it was such a thoughtful, sweet idea. So I wanted to pass that sentiment along to a friend of mine who is also a new mom and is going back to work herself. So figure I'd bring it along while I put a little basket together for her. And if you have any new moms in your life, or maybe someone who's headed back to work or changing careers, or any life change, or even just a Tuesday, maybe this can bring you some inspiration. Gift giving is just one of those things that it just brings joy all around. It's an art, but it's also awesome. So you can't, I don't know. Thoughtfulness is such a undervalued quality. So gift giving is just one of those things that it makes you happy, it makes the recipient happy, and it's just spreading love, and what could be better than that? So down to the nitty gritty here. So I just picked up this basket from Target. It's just like a cute little woven basket. I'm just gonna cut the tags off. And I picked up a bunch of different stuff to put. Like I said, she's a new mom, and she's headed back to work, so just kind of going along with that theme. So I'm gonna put everything in a basket, and let me show you some of the stuff I got. So obviously, a little Downy wrinkle release for those times that the iron just doesn't do it, or who has time to iron really. Some breakfast protein bars for a little breakfast on the go. What else do I have in here? A receipt. Highlighter, just cute little like office supplies. My new favorite pen. So I'm gonna just spread the love to every single person because it's the greatest pen. I just found this cute little, it's called Crush Your Goals. It's a super inspiring quote cards to jumpstart confidence, butt kicking, list making, and stuff doing, because you're fired up, finding your groove, and getting it done. A little picture frame so that she can put her munchkin in the picture and obviously have her at her desk. My mom gave me a like a 3-tier picture, and it's sitting on my desk right now. And it's funny because I went back to work a few months ago, and the pictures were from a few months ago, and just seeing, when I look at those, he's so tiny, and then now it's like, not that he's not tiny, he's just getting so much bigger already. Anyway, along those lines, Kleenex, because I mean, if you're anything like me, you cry the whole time. A little Clorox to-go wipes, because it's 2020. Same hand sanitizer. What else we got? A little mini notebook. Tide to-go pen, lint roller. Oh, and another hand sanitizer. You can't have too much of those these days. And then of course, a little card. So I'm gonna put this together and we'll see how it comes out. I'm gonna figure out how to stick all this stuff in a basket, and I don't know. Let's see how we do. So this is it. We're all set. I just arranged everything in the basket, and I hope she likes it. I hope it'll bring her some positivity as she gets back to work. But yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to share, and you know, if you guys have any great ideas about gift baskets or gifts that you can give new moms, changing careers, whatever it is, just a gift because you want to give a gift, share it in the comments, and I would love to hear about it. I love hearing about gift giving and fun, unique gift ideas. But yeah, subscribe to my channel. There's going to be lots of cool content coming up. I have a lot of fun ideas for videos, and I hope you'll come along. Bye guys. And you know, blah 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 blah. Maybe this. Like